Good day, everyone, and good day, Sir Fernandez. And today I will present the MATLAB exercise number 3, which is the basic signal plotting. And for the first part is the basic signals, the periodic waveforms. So ito po yung code ko. Yan. Tapos run. Ito po yung lumabas sa figure 1. And for the second part naman po is the product of function. Ito po yung code. Run. Ito po yung lumabas sa figure. Print as a discrete product of function and the continuous product of function. And for the next part po is which is the complex discrete signal. Ito po yung code. Run. Ito po yung lumabas sa figure. Ito po yung sa graph ng real part, imaginary part, magnitude part, and the phase part. Now, sa second naman, sa next part is yung pag-plot po ng mga following signals. And ito po yung sa unang part, sa number 1, sa f of t is equals to e raised to negative t. Ito po yung code. Run. Ito po yung lumabas sa figure. Yung amplitude, ito po yung time. Yan po. Then, next po is the subplot number 2. Ito po yung code. Ito po yung lumabas sa figure. Yan po. Sa pangatlo naman po, ito po yung code. Run. Ito po yung lumabas. And for the subplot number 4 po, ito po yung code ko. Let's run. Ito po yung result. And that's it po. Thank you po. Thank you for watching.